Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a multi-monitor trading setup works, from market data input to smart trade execution. First, live market data enters the trading system from different sources such as stocks, forex, crypto, and financial news. This data includes price movement, volume, economic updates, company news, and alerts from global markets. Then, the trading computer or workstation processes all this information. The workstation runs charting software, broker platforms, order routing systems, and real-time data feeds. Because trading data changes very quickly, the computer must be powerful enough to handle multiple screens and applications at the same time. After that, the first monitor usually shows watch lists and quotes. Here, traders can see different symbols, last prices, percentage changes, and small price movement charts. This helps them quickly understand which assets are moving up or down. Next, another monitor displays live charts. These charts show candlesticks, indicators, trend lines, support and resistance levels, and different time frames. By looking at these charts, traders can analyze market direction and identify possible entry or exit points. Then, the order entry screen is used to place trades. This panel includes buy and sell buttons, order type, quantity, stop loss, take profit, and active positions. This is where the trader sends an order to the broker after completing the analysis. At the same time, another screen shows news and alerts. Economic calendar updates, company earnings, central bank announcements, and trade alerts appear here. This helps the trader avoid missing important market-moving information. Moreover, risk management is monitored on a separate screen. This includes position sizing, stop-loss control, account balance, margin level, exposure by asset, and overall performance. Good risk management helps protect capital and control losses. Finally, when a trade is placed, the broker executes the order, confirms the trade, and the position is monitored in real time across the screens. In this way, a multi-monitor trading setup improves visibility, supports faster decision-making, allows multitasking, and helps traders monitor charts, news, orders, and risk together. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.